protocol. Now we have been spreading all the dialysis everywhere and we are trying to see that our generation, Mantri generation, Amit Shah, Prime Minister, के माध्यमातून त्यांनी जी स्कीम केला, this scheme is run under the Prime Minister's Flagship program. So what we need to do is state has to organize because the patients who are there at home, family finds it very difficult. There has to be an ambulance service that can do all has to be mobile dialysis. So I am trying to work on the concept of mobile dialysis. Whether what is my probability of doing it? I was told that there is a way to deal with critical patients who are at home. We require patient care at home. So this is what I just mentioned, patient care at home. A lot of people like geriatric patients and there are people with palliative care. These are all cancer-related things who require to be looked after and kept comfortable. So ultimately, we are exploring these possibilities. But one thing I can tell you, that whatever assurances we have been making, and now we are more or less getting a mapping done. Mapping is in place. With the vision of Narendra Modi ji, the Prime Minister of the country, has said that every minister, every person, every character has to ensure that you take this right to the doorstep of people. People should be given maximum relief. Government is there for the people and all communities have to believe and have to get that benefit that they feel the government should give them benefit. And that's what we are working for. Patient care at the doorstep and the state cares is a slogan.
When it will start?
I am working, I have called them for a meeting immediately. Like Mr. Alex Sigara has always been very proactive, he was just mentioning that he used to have so many camps, orthopedic related camps, Dr. Bandekar and several. What we want to see is that these mobile clinics that we are planning to initiate, mobile clinics has been introduced just now under the, again, by the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister. It's being implemented in a couple of states, the process of implementing. So what we want to do is every constituency, we want to have doctors and ready. So then panchayat wise, then we can rotate them. And then we identify in an early stage what is going on. And those we refer either to South Goa and all those facilities, or move them to Goa Medical College. You see that there, preventive medicine should be our motto. And see that people do not reach a phase where they require to have advanced treatment or it's cancer directed in time so they have a better quality of life. All this is going on. Second, what we want to do is just now I was sitting here and you were talking to Dr. Rupa. There are another 4-5 drivers now we are suspending in North Goa district hospital. See what they do is they go and they make those ambulances also non-functional. So such people don't deserve to be in government. So we have decided to suspend them and what we need to do is we need to bring ambulance services under 108. So that there are different verticals and we are able to provide proper ambulances, oxygen levels are monitored, all this. Ultimately, these type of emergency service should be on higher and higher basis. They cannot be regular government employment. And only then accountability will be there and people will get. Others, you know, media also says this ambulance came 1 hour late, something else can come 2 hours late. We don't want that. And we are on the process increasing the number of ambulances so that we are in 108 so that we are able to, response time is reduced to about 7 minutes. That is our what we are working for.